The IRODA SOLDERPRO is the ultimate tool for those who need precision and power in their garage. This professional butane soldering iron heats up quickly, allowing you to tackle intricate repairs with ease. Whether you're working with electronics, automotive parts, or small crafts, the adjustable flame provides versatility for all tasks. Its compact and portable design means you can take it anywhere, ensuring you never miss a beat. The ergonomic grip makes it comfortable to use for extended periods, while the refillable butane tank provides long-lasting power. You'll be amazed at how this soldering kit simplifies your work, making every project more efficient. It's a must-have for any serious garage worker. Tired of losing screws, bolts, or washers when working on your car or bike? The Laser 8360 magnetic foldable parts tray is here to save the day. Its strong magnetic base holds all your small parts securely in place, so you won't waste time searching for dropped items. The foldable design allows easy storage, making it perfect for small garages or cramped workspaces. Whether you're fixing a bike or working on an engine, this tool keeps everything organized and within reach. The tray's durability ensures it can handle even the toughest projects. Don't let lost parts slow you down. Stay efficient with this smart tool. If you've ever struggled with a clogged radiator or cooling system, you know how important it is to have a reliable tool for flushing out debris and old coolant. The Laser 7686 coolant system flusher makes it easy to clean and maintain your car's cooling system, ensuring optimal performance. This tool helps you clear out harmful particles, reducing the risk of overheating or engine damage. Its simple design allows for quick use, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With this flusher, you can maintain your engine's health and avoid costly repairs down the road. Keep your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently with this must-have tool. The Ken Tool Stow and Go 4-Way Lug Wrench is a game-changer for anyone who's ever been frustrated with tire changes. This compact tool features 4 different sizes of sockets, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles. The sturdy, durable construction allows you to tackle even the toughest lug nuts without breaking a sweat. Thanks to its innovative stow and go design, it's easy to store in your trunk or garage, ready to go whenever you need it. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the wrench's efficiency makes tire changes quicker and less stressful. With the Ken Tool wrench in your garage, you'll be prepared for any roadside emergency. Parking in tight garage spaces has never been easier, thanks to the STKR Concepts 00135 side garage parking sensor. This tool attaches to your garage wall, giving you real-time feedback as you park, helping you avoid accidents and costly repairs. As you get closer to the wall, the sensor emits an audible beep that intensifies, guiding you to the perfect parking spot every time. The simple installation makes it a breeze to set up, and its compact design ensures it doesn't take up much space. No more guessing if you're about to hit the wall. This sensor gives you peace of mind. It's a game changer for anyone who struggles with parking in narrow spaces. Get yours here and park like a pro! If you want a cleaner garage with minimal effort, the InterVac Garage Vacuum Cleaner is the tool for you. This powerful vacuum is designed to tackle the dirt, dust, and debris that inevitably build up in any garage. With its long hose and sturdy construction, it reaches deep into corners and tight spots, making every cleaning session more efficient. The vacuum is easy to use, and its high suction power ensures that even heavy debris is easily picked up. Whether you're cleaning up after a project or just doing routine maintenance, this vacuum will save you time and energy. The InterVac is a must-have for keeping your garage spotless. The TRAC tire jack is the ultimate tool for anyone who wants to change a tire with ease and safety. Built with a sturdy frame and powerful lifting capacity, it makes lifting your car a breeze, even with larger vehicles. The ergonomic handle allows you to lift and lower the jack without much effort, while the compact design ensures it's easy to store in your garage or vehicle. Whether you're on the road or working in your garage, the TRAC tire jack provides the reliability you need for quick tire changes. Its durable construction means it can withstand years of heavy use. No more struggling with outdated, flimsy jacks. Get the TRAC and get the job done right. If you're looking for a way to organize your garage efficiently, the Gladiator GearTrack pack is your solution. This system allows you to easily store and organize tools, equipment, and other items off the floor, freeing up valuable space. The tracks are simple to install and can hold a variety of Gladiator hooks and shelves for ultimate customization. Whether you're organizing power tools or seasonal items, the GearTrack system keeps everything in place. Its heavy-duty construction ensures that it can hold even the heaviest items securely. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a neat, organized garage with Gladiator. For those who work in low-light environments, the SCANGRIP Tower 5 Connect is a must-have. This powerful, portable work light delivers exceptional brightness to light up even the darkest garage or workspace. Its adjustable stand and rechargeable battery make it versatile for any project, from car repairs to home improvement tasks. With the SCANGRIP, you can say goodbye to dim, hard-to-see work areas and enjoy clear visibility. The durable design ensures it can withstand tough working conditions, making it ideal for both professional and DIY use. Light up your garage like never before with this amazing tool. The True Tension Wheel Monkey is a unique tool that ensures your vehicle's wheels are properly torqued every time. It's designed to reduce the risk of over-tightening or under-tightening lug nuts, which can lead to dangerous driving conditions. This tool provides accurate torque readings with ease, making it ideal for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its compact size makes it easy to store, and its robust construction ensures long-lasting use. If you're tired of guessing torque settings or relying on outdated tools, the Wheel Monkey is here to save the day. It guarantees peace of mind when it comes to wheel maintenance. The Carbench UL300 is the go-to tool for anyone who needs to perform bodywork or frame straightening. This high-tech system is designed to provide precise measurements and alignment, ensuring your vehicle is restored to its original condition. It's perfect for garages that work with collision repairs, offering both accuracy and efficiency. The Carbench is built to handle even the toughest frame repairs, making it an essential tool for professionals. Its user-friendly design and quick setup mean you can get straight to work, making every job faster and easier. The Wurth Brake Fluid Tester is an essential tool for anyone who values safety and reliability in their vehicle's braking system. It allows you to quickly check the moisture level in your brake fluid, which is crucial for ensuring optimal braking performance. This tester is simple to use and provides instant results, helping you stay ahead of any potential issues before they become dangerous. Its compact size makes it easy to carry and store in your garage or car for on-the-go testing. Regular fluid checks are key to maintaining a safe and responsive braking system. Don't let moisture jeopardize your car's braking power. Keep your brakes in top shape with this handy tool. It's perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The Slime Garage Air Inflation Station is the ultimate solution for keeping your tires in perfect shape. With its high-performance design, it can quickly inflate tires, sports equipment, and even inflatable toys. This air station is perfect for a busy garage, providing a reliable and fast way to check and inflate your tires. The digital display ensures accurate pressure readings, while the automatic shutoff function prevents overinflation. Its compact design makes it easy to store, yet powerful enough to handle larger inflation needs. Keep your tires safe and ready to roll with the Slime Garage Air Inflation Station. The AIRS 70039 oxygen sensor socket is an essential tool for anyone working on exhaust systems or emissions repairs. Designed specifically for oxygen sensors, this socket helps you quickly remove or install them without damaging sensitive components. Its unique design allows it to fit snugly over the sensor, ensuring a secure grip and minimizing the risk of stripping the sensor. This tool is made of durable, high-quality materials to withstand heavy use, making it ideal for both professional and DIY mechanics. If you're working on your vehicle's oxygen sensor, this socket makes the job easier and faster. It's a must-have tool for accurate sensor maintenance. The PitProtect OnTrack is a revolutionary safety solution designed for inspection pits in rail environments. This lightweight concertina inspection pit cover ensures maximum protection by safeguarding open pits while still offering easy access to the underside of trains. Made with durable aluminum, the system is fully adjustable in both length and width, making it suitable for uneven width pits. Each bar can be set at different widths, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Its design is quick and easy to deploy, reducing downtime while enhancing safety in the workplace. The OnTrack frame fits perfectly on the rails, allowing train wheels to pass through without obstruction. Keep workers safe and make maintenance more efficient with PitProtect OnTrack. If you need reliable ramps to work under your car, the AIM tools. Steel car ramps are exactly what you need. These heavy-duty steel ramps are built to lift your car with ease, providing the perfect clearance for maintenance and repairs. Whether you're changing the oil, inspecting the undercarriage, or doing any other work, these ramps offer stability and security. Their durable steel construction can handle the weight of most vehicles without bending or breaking. With a non-slip surface, these ramps ensure your vehicle stays safely in place. Compact and easy to store, they're perfect for any garage. Make working on your car safer and easier with these reliable ramps. The VEVOR retractable extension cord reel is a game changer for your garage or workspace. This heavy-duty reel keeps your extension cords neatly coiled and ready for use whenever you need them. With a 50-foot length, you can easily reach every corner of your garage or workshop, making electrical tasks much more convenient. The retractable design eliminates tangled cords and keeps your workspace organized. Its durable construction means it can handle heavy-duty use without breaking down. Whether you're using it for power tools or lighting, this reel makes sure your cords are never in your way. Say goodbye to messy, tangled cords and hello to a clutter-free workspace. The SCA Parts Washer. 12L is an essential tool for cleaning and maintaining your garage. It makes washing off grease, dirt, and grime from your car parts quick and easy. This washer is designed to handle a variety of components, from small parts to larger tools, ensuring they're spotless and ready for the next step. The 12-liter tank is the perfect size for medium-sized projects, and the built-in pump ensures efficient water flow. It's built tough to withstand the demands of any workshop, so you can rely on it for years of use. Save time and effort with this essential tool that keeps your parts clean and your projects moving forward. The Ryco Flexible Funnel RST300 is perfect for anyone who needs a versatile and durable funnel for their garage. It's designed with a flexible neck, making it easy to pour fluids into tight spaces without making a mess. Whether you're changing oil, filling up your car's fluids, or pouring other liquids, this funnel makes the job easier and cleaner. The flexible design ensures you can direct the flow exactly where you need it, preventing spills and waste. It's also made from high-quality materials, so you can rely on it for years of heavy use. Compact and easy to store, it's an essential tool for any garage. The Tool Pro Magnetic Pickup Tool is an absolute game-changer when it comes to retrieving dropped items in your garage. Whether it's screws, nails, or small tools, this handy tool picks them up with ease thanks to its powerful magnet. The extendable handle lets you reach into tight spots without bending or stretching. It's perfect for picking up items from hard-to-reach places, saving you time and frustration. The durable construction means this tool will hold up under heavy use, and its compact size makes it easy to store. Say goodbye to spending hours searching for dropped items. This tool makes garage work more efficient. The RS33013 Spanner Wrench Extender is a game-changer for anyone dealing with tough bolts and fasteners. This 15-inch extender allows you to apply more torque to your wrench, making it easier to break loose, stubborn, or rusted bolts. It's perfect for car repairs, engine work, and any heavy-duty tasks that require extra leverage. The sturdy construction ensures that it can handle high-stress jobs without bending or breaking. With its ergonomic grip, you'll be able to work comfortably for longer periods. Say goodbye to struggling with tight bolts and hello to effortless repairs. This tool is an essential addition to your garage toolkit.